Hi, Lokendra. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Can you tell us something about yourself?
Sir, my name is Lokendra Patel. I have completed in mechanical engineering. Currently, I did a software testing course from Yes Infotech Institute, Pune, where I learned about Java as a programming language and manual. And in manual testing, I learned agile methodology, Jira tool, and after that I learned automation testing, where I learned about Selenium, TestNG, Maven project, and something about API testing, Postman, and DevOps tool, Jenkins. That's all.
Okay, sounds great. Okay. So, what do you know about Jenkins?
Sir, it is a DevOps tool where and it is a continuous integration and continuous deployment to deliver continuous delivery, and we used it for run our automation test cases in where we used to run our automation test cases from Maven project using Jenkins uh, continuously. Okay.
Okay. See, Jenkins is basically a CI/CD tool. You would be able to trigger your automation using Jenkins, right? And earlier, what used to happen is, the team used to trigger the automation manually, right? But via this Jenkins tool, it can be done via, automatically you can trigger the automation. Okay. Now, you were mentioning you are from mechanical background, right? So why are you looking for job in software testing field?
Sir, actually, in software, there are lots of possibilities of making career, and so I am switching in this field.
Okay. See, this question is definitely going to come in an interview to you, right? It might come in the first round, it might come in the technical round, or it might come in the managerial round. That why are you looking to change your career from mechanical background to software testing? So over here, what you have to answer is basically you have to show them your passion for software testing. You are curious to do software testing, you like doing software testing, you are having a lot of interest in this field, that you have to showcase in an interview. And you can give some examples as well, like you are doing whatever the softwares that are coming in the market, maybe web based or mobile based, so you are using them, you are doing hands-on practice on all these softwares, and you are testing them as well, right? So these kind of things you have to tell. Okay. Because see, your competition is not only for getting a job in software testing, but one more challenge for you is the people should accept you because you are coming from mechanical background, right? Okay. So you have learned Java as well, right? Can you tell me something about the OOPS concepts?
Yes, sir. Java is based on Java. Actually, Java is object-oriented programming language, and there are some OOPS concept like first object and classes, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, inherit polymorphism, and abstraction. These all.
Okay. Now in an interview, when someone asks you about OOPS concepts, right? So you have to tell them which are the OOPS concepts, so that you have answered inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. Now you have to give them some detailed explanation, right? Now, what is inheritance, right? What is polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction? What are the significance of all these OOPS concepts, right? For example, inheritance might be used when you want to use, the same object properties and methods with respect to parent class into your child class, right? So those things you have to explain in detail.
Yes, sir. Can I explain?
Yes, yes, please explain.
Firstly, Java is object-oriented programming language and inheritance. Inheritance, when we acquire all the properties of parent class in child class, then it is called inheritance. In polymorphism, we make multiple forms of one thing. And there are two types of polymorphism. First is method overloading, second method overriding. So method overloading, in which we create multiple methods of same name with different parameters and or their parameters of different sequence and different numbers. That is called method overloading. And in method overriding, we create method of same name in child class and same parameter with same parameter. That is called method overriding. And in encapsulation is called as wrapping up of data, in which we create private variables and private methods and called public methods in getter and setter methods. And abstraction is called as detail hiding, in which we create there are two types of we create abstraction. We get abstraction in two ways. Firstly, creating abstract class, and secondly interfaces, and we get abstraction with interfaces 100%. And thank you.
Okay. Now, what is the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM?
JDK is Java development kit, where we get in JDK we get JRE and JVM, and we run. We write the code and run the code. It totally happens in JDK environment, and JRE is the Java runtime environment, which include only JVM. And in JRE is available in client location, where they only run the program. They will only check the program after run it using JRE. And JVM is Java virtual machine, which compile the code dot class file to bytecode, which convert the file Java class file to bytecode, which run in any machine.
Okay. See, JVM is actually, you were right, Java virtual machine, right? It will provide the runtime environment in which Java bytecode would be executed, right? Now, there are three notions in the JVM. One is specification, another is implementation, and one more is instance, right? Now, what is JRE? JRE stands for the Java runtime environment. It is implementation of JVM. Okay. Now, what does Java runtime environment consist of? It would consist of the software, it is consisting of set of libraries or other files that JVM uses at a runtime. Now, what is JDK? JDK is nothing but it is Java development kit. Okay. It is the software development environment which is used to develop Java application and applets. Okay, so this is how you can explain the basic difference between the three things. Okay, now you have joined from laptop, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you please share your screen and write the Selenium code to launch the Gmail website and enter any username password and click on login button. Just click on a green button, green share screen option is there. Just click on it and select, showcase your entire screen.
How to share screen?
Yeah, click on share screen option. Yes, your screen is getting loaded. Okay, now I'm able to see your screen. Now, yes, open the Eclipse. Okay, now you need to write the Selenium code for launching the Gmail
I
website,
have to write
entering.
Selenium code,
Yes.
but only write. Either I have to run it also.
Yes, you have to run as well. So in a real-time interview also, you would be asked to write a script and develop a script and execute it.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, this is in this laptop. I can't run Selenium code because there is no Java Selenium. I didn't add Selenium file in this,
Okay. In
but
this,
I write the code actually.
okay, fine. So you can write for now.
Mm. To launch Selenium code. Oh, sorry. To launch
Launch
Gmail
Gmail.
site.
Yes. You need to launch Gmail URL and enter username and password. So first of all, you need to find the XPath, right?
Yes, sir. सर ये यही खुल रहा है लॉगिन का ऑप्शन।
So you can basically log out from this. Yeah, just log out from this. From the site where your profile pic is there, just log out. Yeah, sign out from this. Yeah. Now you can get those username password. Okay. Yeah. Use another account. Yeah. Okay. So are you using any plugin to find out the XPath?
In this computer, there is no plugin. I used ProPath.
CrowPath is outdated. You should use Selectors Hub.
Selector sub. So
Yes. Yes.
no, sir, I don't use Selector.
Okay. So Selectors Hub is a wonderful, extension that is also free of cost, that is available in the Chrome browser, and you can get XPath, CSS, Shadow DOM. All those things are available in the Selectors Hub, and it also supports various browsers. Right? Done.
Actually, no, sir, it's not done. But I forget about. Currently, I not remember how to enter value id dot. Mm,
How to handle what?
how enter id
ID. You want to enter
id
ID,
and password.
ID and password. Okay, that is fine. I'll show you the code. But first of all, you have to work on these XPath as well. See, the XPath which you have used, those are absolute XPath. You have to correct them to the relative XPath also. Also, after launching the website, you would be able to enter the username or email address, right? So launching the URL, that thing is missing, right? So that you have to keep over here.
Yes,
Anyways,
sir,
I'll
yes.
let me share my screen. So let
Okay,
me
sir.
let me take the screen access. Yeah. Let me know once my screen is visible. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See. So actually you didn't had Selenium, but these are the various dependencies that you need to import, right? Then you will be writing this method public static void main, and you will be also setting the property for the Gecko driver. Over here, I have written code for Firefox driver. Okay. Then I have used implicit wait, 5 seconds of wait. I'm launching the URL, right? Then email address, right? Then so over here, what I have done is I have identified with respect to name. Okay. And you
Yes,
can
sir.
also
I have
identify with
everything.
respect to class name, with respect to name. Okay. You found out you went via XPath, but in XPath also you need to go for relative XPath. Okay. This is just an example. Okay. You don't need to search whether this particular locator with this name is available over there or not. But this is just an example. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
send keys. Okay. Again, send keys over here in the email address, password, and then click. Right. At the end, I'll be closing the browser. Right. So this is how you need to write the code into the real-time interview. Okay. Okay, Lokendra, I am done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. Currently, I have no question.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Lokendra. It was nice talking to you and all the best for your career.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Mm,
Yes.
Currently these days I am
Yes.
applying lots of jobs, but I didn't get any interview. That's why this happened today. It means I can't answer how I have knowledge,
Mhm.
but I didn't show my knowledge today because it is lack of experience. It is lack
Not
of
not lack of not
practice.
at all lack of experience, but actually it might be due to the nervousness, right? You might be getting nervous. That is why you are not able to recall. But see, this is the intention of the mock interview. This is how you will come to know what are the areas you need to improve, what are the areas you are confident. So you don't need to give much time on those areas, rather give time on the the topics which you are getting confused or which you are not able to answer in a real time interview, right? For you, Java theoretical concepts are good, but when it comes to Selenium automation, actually implementation of Java, so over there you need to improve. Over there you need to spend some time, right?
Yes,
And yeah, then especially relative XPath, right? How can you find the relative XPath of an element to which you can write in a script, right? So that thing you have to work on. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, Lokendra. Thank you so much for coming on our channel and all the best for your career.
Thank you so much, sir.